Try now the all-new Golden Trophy Roomba. I'm Milkshake VR from Heck Room, and today we're going to look at this amazing invention. With an exclusive interview at the end, so stay tuned. First, let's see what our fans have to say about it. I love my demonic Roomba. It's so fun. It does everything for me, including beat all of Golden Trophy without me having to do a single thing. Able to withstand blistering heat, it can fight anywhere you need it to. It's so advanced, in fact, that it can do this. Able to equip itself with a super powerful shield made out of titanium alloy, it is able to overcome any task you put in its way. Trained in multiple combat tactics, it is able to efficiently dispatch any foe. It even has boomerang capabilities. No, it doesn't. It even has boomerang capabilities. Check out this amazing boomeranging. Boomerang, boomerang, boomerang. But it's just a short price of $4 billion. Now on sale for $5 billion. That's right, our product is so good that the price goes up when it's on sale. If you want the Super Ultra Mega Deluxe Edition, all you have to do is pay $4 trillion more. Then you get epic swords and shields with it. Did I mention there is nothing in the box unless you get the Deluxe Edition? It's so deluxe, in fact, that it can lose its sword at random moments during its life. This Roomba is the best Roomba you'll ever see, as it can make baskets first try. And now, a word from its genius creator. Do you want to flex on your friends? Do you want to get things without actually doing anything in the game? Well then, this amazing invention is for you. Okay, sir, what inspired you to make this amazing invention?
I don't know. I just thought it would be a good idea to make this epic Golden Trophy Roomba.
I can see it is very effective in what it does. Would you like to elaborate on this?
Yes. Yeah. Sure. It does nothing. It kills nothing in its path, and it's, like, very not durable, so it's such a good product, you know?
This amazing human being has made a breakthrough in economic science. Did I also mention that nothing comes in the box unless you cut the Deluxe Edition for a small price of $4 billion? Is there anything else you would like to say to your beloved fans before you... yeah.
Yeah, this does nothing, and, yeah, if you drop it, it will basically disappear it.
What?
Thanks for tuning in on Amazing Inventions with Slushy VR and Your Mom 123. If you want to make goblins turn into this, then all you need to do is buy the Super Ultra Amazing Omega Ultra Awesome Epic Deluxe
Golden
Edition.
Trophy Roomba.
You need to buy the Golden Trophy Roomba, but make sure you get the Epic Awesome oh my god, it's so good, Pogtopia Amazing Goblin Killing, Ripping and Tearing Amazing Edition. Because if you don't, then nothing will come in the box. Get this invention now for only $420 million. Goodbye. I'll see you next time.